Let's make hobakjeon today. This is all you need. Simple. Chilies are optional. I like to cut hobak a little thick because I want them crunchy. You can cut them thinner. Salt them for a while. Turn them over. Salt again. 1 egg is enough for the whole zucchini. Trust me. Tap dry hobak. Let's coat hobak with flour. First, sprinkle flour on the board. Coat hobak lightly. Dip hobak with the beaten egg. Fry them in low heat first. Cook 90% only, then cook fully right before you serve. Remember, fry them again right before you serve. Use some flour to attach chilies. See? I wasn't lying. 1 egg is enough for the whole hobak. Let's make dipping sauce. Soy sauce, 간장, hint of vinegar, 식초, chili flakes, 고춧가루, black pepper, 후추, grounded sesame, 깨소금. Shall we taste it? So good! Hi my friend! Today we made a hobakjeon. Hobak is a zucchini or summer squash, and jeon is let me tell you about jeon. Jeon is a very unique way of cooking ingredient in Korean cooking. We just simply coat the ingredient with the flour and just dip it into beaten egg and just pan fry everything. The vegetable will be so nice like eggplant, carrot, potato. You can do anything you want. And also you can make it with the meat or fish. So if you want to make it with the beef, salt a little bit and tap dry and also coat with the flour and the egg. And also the fish fillet, you slice it and then salt. Maybe for the fish, I'll just use black pepper and salt. Also the beef too, right? And then just coat and dip it into beaten egg and pan fry it. So simple, right? And this jeon is a party food. So we cook so many jeon for party or celebration. So it is so small pieces. So we usually cook the day before the party or celebration. And so we don't cook like 100% except meat or fish. So right before you serve, you fry again, make it hot, and then eat. And the hobak, I really prefer it crunchy. So I slightly cut it thicker than other people, and I don't really cook like 100%. So that's because when I was a child, I never ever picky about any food, but hobak, I really hate it so much because I don't like it mush, And my mom used to, maybe she loved the texture, mush texture, so she always overcook it. So every time she gave me the hobakjeon, I peel off. I peel off the egg part and I only eat the egg. That's how I don't like it. But even the eggplant too. But later on, I found out, if you do not cook like 100%, if you leave the veggie hobak little bit crunchy at the end, it's so nice vegetable. After that, I fell in love with hobak so much. I put everywhere, but not like other people. I really make it small cube and put it at the end. Even the 된장찌개, I don't really fully cook. I really like a little bit crunchiness has to be stay. Yeah, for me it's like that. But if you want it like a fully cooked, you can just cook whatever you want and make it thinner. But for me, since we're going to fry twice, so first time I'll cook like 80%, and second time I'll cook it like 90%. That's the way I like it. Okay, so if you're going to reheat, do not cook like too full. It'll be so mush, after second time frying. Okay, and that's it for today. Very simple recipe, right? But this John method can work for all kinds of veggie, meat, and fish. So good. All right, so and also the dipping sauce I show you is just a simple one, but there are so many fancy way to make dipping sauce only. So maybe I'll shoot a video for dipping sauce special, right? Okay, that's it for today, and thank you for your love and support. See you next time. Bye.